Hi, Namaste, Namaskara, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Jigglypuff, Shivani here. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about all the gifts my friends gave me for my birthday this year, 2024. And before I get into that video of mine, I just want to thank each and every one of you who've been a part of my community here on YouTube. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and follow me for more such content because you guys mean the world to me. And I also want to tell you that this birthday has been so special and each one of my friends have made it so special. All the people who've wished me online, offline or otherwise, all of you, thank you so much. And thank you so much for your love and support as my YouTube family who's been engaging with my content, who's been liking, commenting and just viewing all the things that I post. It means the world to me and I'm so happy that you guys are here and I'm here on this platform all together. Recently there was a YouTube Creator Summit and when I was going through that, I was really manifesting and hoping that one day even I'll be a part of that and I'll be able to go over there and interact with all the creators out there. Maybe one day down the line, you never know. But for now, I just want to talk about this particular video and it is the most special one right now. So let's begin. The first gift that I got was something on the health side. So I know that in the past couple of months I've put on a lot of weight and I have been very concerned about it, but I haven't really been taking action. Although whenever I do take some action, it's never been consistent. I do visit the gym and then I just abscond for some time and then again I visit the gym again. But given all of that, the first gift which I got was super thoughtful and it actually surprised me and also came like a shock, but it was fun. Given the fact that now there's a lot of scam that's happening out in the market, when this gift came in, my family was a little worried what it was because it was such a huge dabba it came in and they actually kind of like recorded the video and they also were like maybe it is somebody playing a prank, but I'll show you the gift. Okay, so this was what came in, guys. This is my first gift that arrived for my birthday. This one here is a Health Genie Smart BMI scale. So this one here is super cool. You can like use your Bluetooth and connect your phone to this device. It's a weighing scale. So it measures a number of parameters for you, which includes BMI, body fat, visceral fat, your actual age according to your weight and so many more parameters. And I really think it's such a thoughtful and beautiful gift that I received. I'm super grateful for having friends who actually care about my health and are like, you know what, go on the gym, go get on the treadmill, go do that, go do this and stuff like that. That's really I'm grateful for that kind of friends. And I also feel sometimes a little bugged with it because I feel like very helpless. Otherwise there's no other thing. I'm really grateful for those people, whoever are in my life, who basically bring out the best in me, and that's what friends are for. So this is the first one. Let me just open it for you guys and show it to you. This is exactly how it looks like. So it's got these nodes kind of a thing which basically is used to detect your weight, and then it gives all the parameters just because of these are like the most important things in this particular device. And this one here is black in color. It is pretty sleek and slim, so I like that about this. And it's also really user friendly. You just gotta step on it and sync it with your device like your phone, and all the parameters just get recorded. And the ease and the simplicity of this device just makes me love it even more. I can use this one here, I can use this to basically track every day, every week, or whenever I track my goals. It's very easier to see it in the form of a graph, like how the fluctuations happen, was there any loss of weight or body mass or whatever it is. That way it is awesome. And it also comes with this thing. This is a user guide that comes along with it. So it tells you like basic user instructions of how to use the device, how to connect it to the app, how to switch on Bluetooth and make sure the connectivity is going great. They also give these cells along with it, which I haven't used because I have Duracell, so I just put in my Duracell batteries. And this is pretty much what comes with the inside the box. I have been using this on a weekly basis from the past few weeks since I got the gift, and it's been a great tracker, I would say, because I now know where I am at and where I need to be. And also I feel like, you know, having a weighing scale which is personal to you is really cool, because you can track your weight anytime on the go. Apart from the just the basics like the fat percentage and stuff, you get to know your body water percentage, your bone mass, BMR, protein rate, metabolic age, visceral fat index, subcutaneous fat, and then how much weight you need to lose to actually get to the right like weight. And also, you know, your fat mass, and then what is your actual body weight without the fat, also your muscle mass, your protein mass, and your obesity level. So all of these things are like just written over here, so I just like read it out. So moving on, let's go to the next gift which I got. This one is a jewelry set which I got. It's from the brand Zenemy. It is so cool. I really love this. So on this box it's written, when in doubt bling it. It is such a cool line, like just when in doubt bling it, like that, you know, somebody telling you. It's so cool. So I'm just gonna open it and show it to you. And it's got such a pretty earring. First of all, there's this flower, and then there's like a circle, and then there's a teardrop, and it's all made up of stones, which is like literally shining so beautifully. I love this. This can go well with office fits, it can go well with ethnic wear or whatever you want to style it with. It is so pretty, and it's in the shade rose gold, so I love that so much. And along with this came a chain. The chain is also like the same. It's got like a flower, it's got that circle, and in between there's like a pendant with a teardrop kind of a thing. I'll show it to you guys. This is how it looks like. It is so pretty. I hope it's visible to you guys, and I really love this. This is so good. It's also one of my favorite gifts. I love all these gifts equally well, and I am gonna enjoy and use it very well. Thank you so much. This is so good. And this is got like a nice hook thing also, which I want to talk about. You can make it as long as you want by adjusting this. Basically you hook it to whichever length you want, and then that's how long it's gonna be. If you want it really short, you can hook it to the first one or to the last one, based on whatever length you want to wear it at. And this is how it looks like. Along with the earring, it will look gorgeous, and I know that. So this was the second gift which I got. The next gift is this one. It is gorgeous again. All of the gifts are gorgeous, okay? So I don't even know what words to use anymore, but let's get into it. This is a pretty scarf which my friend gave it to me. It is so beautiful. It's the fan which is making it literally fly, but as you can see, it's such a pretty dragonfly. There's a butterfly, there are flowers, and it just really looks so good and so gorgeous. Along with that, we also have this one here. It's like a hair tie, a bag tie, you can call it anything. It's of this length, and it's the same print that it's got, and I can use this for my hair or my bag. Either way, it will look very pretty and very nice. This one along with the scarf, okay, they both came together as a part of this particular gift, and I love this a lot. The best part about this, it can be used with like a plain top, the scarf I mean, or you can just use it on your hair whenever you feel. It's also a very nice trendy style that's going on right now, wearing it like a proper scarf or around your neck, on a plain top, or just as it is, you can wear it. It's so good and so nice. The quality of this material is top notch. It is so silky and buttery kind of a thing. When you touch it, literally glides. It's so soft. I love this so much, and thank you. Next up, I have some beautiful crockery. One here is this rainbow bowl which my friend gifted me. I love this so much. It is so pretty and so versatile. It literally makes any kind of food look very bright and colorful. So far I haven't got a chance to use it, but I will definitely be using this for having my breakfast, for my lunch, for rice, for poha, all of these things which I regularly eat, and also cereal and milk. It is so good, so nice. It's also got like a heart in it, which literally conveys how much we basically love each other. So I always see this and remind myself about the love that we share. And the rainbows are so lit and beautiful, it just makes my day. This one here is pretty sturdy and it's like a glass bowl, so I have to be super careful with this because I am pretty clumsy with a couple of things, especially glass. I am like 5 steps away from glass, but having this, it's gonna make me more responsible, I know, especially with taking care of this. And we also have a cup which is so beautiful. This thing won my heart. It's a sunflower cup, and I can use this to have my chamomile tea or whatever kind of tea which I basically drink, or I can even have my coffee in this cup. It is so pretty and it literally suits my vibe. If I just look at it, I just know my day is gonna go so beautiful. I love this so much. The detailing is also very pretty. It's got a very sturdy grip to it, and it's also very prettily made. I love this so much. Both of these gifts came together, and it's also one of my favorite gifts. I have been saying this to each and every gift because I have been using them day in and day out already, starting from the weighing machine, which I use like almost every week. And then this one here, I have been storing my cables for now, the bowl, but I'll be using it for eating purposes very soon. I need to start having my chamomile tea. Recently I went and got in my chamomile tea bags, and I'm gonna start using this very soon, because raat ko what happens is I'm not able to sleep soon, and I think that chamomile tea is gonna help in that situation. So yeah, these 2 gifts are super amazing. So let's go to the next one. I got this beautiful set of pens as my next gift, and these are hands down one of the best pens I have ever written with, and I'm telling you, this is so pretty. Let's start with the packaging, okay? I'll pick up one pen which I have already started using for my journaling and notes purposes. This one here, it's a beautiful caffeine color, and it's got this brown and a light brown going on. On this is written the flavor of each coffee. So all the pens are variants, or like coffee variants that they've tried to, you know, replicate. First one, it's written caramel macchiato 0.5. I really love this. It is so pretty, and I'll tell you what, the minute I actually like just press in to write, okay, when I'm writing it, this cushion over here that they've given, this basically is so supportive with the impact. Like whenever I try to write, sometimes I write really fast or with a lot of pressure. This thing over here basically takes it very well. So that is something I love about this pen, and it's super lightweight, and I love the ink. It's not the proper blue ink that you get. It's like a bluish green ink, a very different kind of a blue ink, and I love this so much. This has been one of my favorite pens, hands down, which I've used till now. So this is the first one, okay? Like that, there are many of them. This one here is in the variant cappuccino. This is also really cool. I haven't opened this yet, but I'm telling you, these are like the best. The detailing on it, the way they've, you know, made this pens, the cute symbol of a coffee again right here. I hope it's visible to you guys. Yeah, right there. The detailing is everything that I could wish for. Then we have this one. This one is hot and cold coffee. I really like the color also. If you observe, each and every pen over here is very unique. The color on this is different than the color on this, is very different than the color that's there on this. So there's like this thing that reminds me that each time I actually consume coffee, it's of a different kind of a color, or if it's a hot coffee or a cold coffee, the color varies as per that. This is the darkest pen looks like, and also the detailing on it is completely different than the other pens, which I'm really excited to use in the near future. So I love these. These are like my favorite pens now, and I think once these are over, I will again go back to buying them because I have already fallen in love with these so freaking much. Journaling time has become much more interesting with these, and I'm telling you, if you are someone who's into journaling and stuff, go grab them because they're so cool. Available on Amazon, you can check them out. Because when I got these and then when I started using them, I was like, you know what, I'm adding this to my wish list and I'm gonna grab a backup of a backup of the backup of this pen because this is so good. In the stationery, in the pen section, I think this is my favorite. I also have this next gift, which is a set of 6 highlighters in pastel color. These are so lightweight again, and they also highlight very well. I love these, and I also use this whenever I want to highlight in my journal just some event which I really want to make it stand out, sort of a thing, or you know, something which I want to highlight wherever I read some kind of a novel or something. Earlier I was afraid to highlight using my regular highlighters because they were pretty much on the darker side, like, you know, fluorescent green or yellow or orange for that matter. But ever since I started using a pastel highlighter, it has been a game changer because I don't feel it overwhelmingly bright, and this one here is perfect. I'm trying to highlight in my novels or in my, especially in my self-help books. This thing here has been a very good companion, so I love this so much. And yeah, this has also shifted to one of those things which I will keep using as much as they last, and I will be buying this very soon for sure. Next, I got this book. This one here reads The Courage to Be Disliked. It's something that I had never come across before. I have never seen this book before, so when I got it as a gift, I was so happy because I love gifts. Gifts are one of my favorite things because 1, they keep me occupied, 2, I love improving my vocabulary through books, and 3, I feel like the book is talking to me like a friend, and I get to learn a lot from a book. Obviously, whenever I talk to people, I learn a lot from them, but books are those silent friends who just stay in a place. They have zero maintenance whatsoever. You don't have to do anything much. Just open a book and keep reading. There is no prerequisite needed, like I need an internet connection or I need anything, like, you know, I need a proper environment or nothing. Even if you're sitting at a small corner of your house, you can just have a book with you and time just flies. So this is a book which I got. Here it says a single book, this single book can change your life. So I am super excited and I'm waiting for when I can open and start reading this book. Currently I'm still on the book, The Confidence Code, and it's going pretty well. In between I took a break because everything has been off track, especially skilling up, job, work at job, whatever, and also with the creator situation, everything has been very overwhelming, so I took a huge break. But now I feel like I need to start reading every day again, and hopefully soon I will be opening this book as the next one after The Confidence Code, which I'm currently reading. So I'm so excited. This is by Ichiro Kishimi and Fumite Koga. Those are the people who have actually written this book, so I'm waiting to see how it unravels its content and how it's gonna impact me. Let's see how that goes. I'll keep you posted, and so far I'm loving to just see this book because it feels very optimistic and very nice. The next book is so unique and so different. I'm gonna tell you why. So this is how it looks like, okay? See, the minute I saw this, I was like, is it a box? Because it looked like a box. You know, one of those boxes which ancient people used to store, which had like these carving and detailing and stuff. On the other hand, I kind of resonated with this when I realized it's a book. I remembered Harry Potter and I also remembered Game of Thrones when I saw this, because something about this book just makes it feel so unique and so nice. The detailing on it is lovely. I really love this. From the front it looks like this, and this is how it looks from the back. The gem here is so cool. I love this. It's a green color one. It's one of my favorite colors, and also the mechanism in which it opens is so cool. Like, you just have to do this and that's how it opens, and then you're able to like open the book completely. After you do like this step is when you open it, and then it opens like that. And I also love the pages. they are really they feel like they are, you know, handmade kind of a thing. So this is how the pages look like, okay? And they've kind of like stitched it together, so you feel the handwork that's going on. The pages are super soft. It's a very nice book for journaling, but I don't have the heart to journal in this because I honestly journal my heart's content, and I'm very rough whenever I journal because I have so much emotion going into the book. And this one here is such a pretty book and I don't feel like using it. I have just kept it for now aside because it is so precious. It's the same thing that happened with the perfumes which I got last time for my birthday. They're in such pretty glass bottles which I don't even feel like using, but I have to because they have a shelf life linked to it. This book, on the other hand, here is something which I will try to admire as much as I can, and will write some very important life notes or some important journaling only. I'm gonna try to put in the good things, maybe like a gratitude book or something, because that in itself will be very light and very delicate to write and stuff. So I would do that with this book. That's what I thought about. It's a wonderful book. It'll just remind me of those two serials which I told you about, the series. So yeah, I'm really grateful for this gift as well, and I really express a lot of thanks for this one. Next up is the last gift, and this is a mini journal book again. It's got my initial S written on it, and I really love the background also. It's a pink with a grey flower and this beautiful leaf and stem design that's going on. It's a pocket sized book which I can easily carry in my bag, and I also love the pages that it's come with. It's a single line book and it's got like colorful pages. It's got pages in both white like this as well as yellow. So this is really cool, and I could also, you know, use this to write content ideas. That's what I was thinking about. Sometimes when I have a lot of content ideas, I just like to write it down so that I can read them again when I revisit or go back. You know, when I'm like, okay, like what do I do today? What do I shoot? And then I'm like, I'm not getting anything on my mind. That's when I can just go back at this book, open it and check, okay, what did I have? Some idea or something. Along with the book, they also gave this thing. This one here reads, "What's in a name?" Shakespeare's Juliet asks. Well, actually a lot. Some believe that your name is based on a letter it begins, which can provide some pretty enlightening insights into your personality, goals, dreams, and even how you approach situations. So it basically tells you what your name actually means, and there's like a meaning for each letter of your name. According to this, it's from A to Z. For example, A is somebody who's attractive, polite, open-minded kind of a thing. So for each letter of your name, there's a meaning, and I think this is so helpful because sometimes, for me especially, I kind of feel low. So whenever I feel low or something, I can just like open this and then try to read my name or just write, you know what's my name signify kind of a thing, and then I'll feel instantly good. So I think that way this is super good, and I could like use this for that. And they also gave a little card here. This one here, I love the patterns on it. It is so cool. I can use this like a bookmark, and this was what came along with this book. And all in all, I love this particular gift. It is very pretty and it's very nice. With that, all my gifts are complete, whichever my friends gave for this year 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video of me showing you all the gifts which I got. And if you liked the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. With that, I'm ending this video with lots of love. Bye and have a nice day.